Hello there, I'm James Woodfine and I'm the founder of the OFS MakerLab Club. The OFS MakerLab is a lively place of creativity and innovation. We don't just cover 3D printing, but we actually go through the entire design process. So when club members first join, we give them special tasks to get them started. But then after that, we give them freedom to design what interests them. So in the club members have made replicas of Lego bricks, they've made mini furniture, some of them even made toy cars. I'm happy with what we've accomplished so far. It's very rewarding to see people learn a new skill, and that's because of you.
Hi, I'm Lisa Youngson. I am the supervisor for the OFS MakerLab Club. MakerLab is more than just access to the necessary machinery. It's a space in which creativity and collaboration can come together. If they want to learn something new that can be used in industry, etc., we like to open the doors of the design lab to them. We do teach them Autodesk Fusion, and they can then see how they can create digital products and then bring them to life using our 3D printers.
OFS MakerLab inspires us to innovate and lead the future.